What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Octavia.Darling. If you're new to this channel, I share content related to my locs, lifestyle, health, and fitness journey. So before we hop into this video, go ahead and give your girl a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you can join this community of like-minded women. All right, so y'all might hear a little noise in the background. That's my dog nephew, Vice. He's over here banging his treat that I just gave him because we just did his morning walk and he was such a good boy. And yeah, I had to film this footage right now because y'all see how the sun is just kissing my skin ever so softly. I don't get this often, and I just love it. I absolutely love it. Dang, Vice, can you relax a little bit, buddy? Just calm down just a little bit for Auntie Tay. All right. So this video is going to be about how to maintain your locks when you're a fitness girl like myself. So when you go to the gym quite often, you know, your hair, you're sweating a lot. So your hair can get dirty more often. It get more fuzzy. If you have a lock style, it can probably, you know, not maintain itself for a long period of time. But I'm just going to show you what I normally do when I go to the gym and how I maintain my locks on a weekly basis. Vice, now is not the time to play with your toy, buddy. Let me hurry up, y'all. So right now I'm gonna head on over and I'm gonna put my hair up today because after I leave the gym, hold on, y'all. Vice, sit. Thank you, relax, okay? Because after I leave the gym, I wanna go for a walk around the city. I wanna get a good cardio walk in today. Yeah, so I'm gonna put my hair up and it's supposed to be a little bit warmer outside, but let's just go ahead and do that. And normally what I do is just like a cute little messy bun, just so that it is not in the way when I am working out, and also so that it does not get tangled up in any equipment. Now, don't get me wrong, there has been times where I would keep my hair down and go to the gym, and that's too because hopefully y'all can see that. Let me squat a little bit. And that's mainly too because I wear like my headphones, and so it does keep my hair out of my face. Oh my God, Vice is doing the most. I'm so sorry, y'all. Let me hurry up. It does keep my hair out of my face, so it doesn't like necessarily bother me, and I'm so used to wearing it down that I can just lift my locks up if I'm doing like squats with the bar or whatever. And then I'll show y'all how it is when I'm at the gym as well. Move, Vice. I gotta show y'all this dog. Vice, say hi. Say hi. Tell them that you're sorry for interrupting Auntie Tay's video. Tell them that you're sorry.
Yeah. Amaru. I need a second. I need to think this through. Your words are weapons. Can't you see what you do, girl? Know you fine. Why you have to be so tough? Why you gotta be so tough? Got your own, but can tell you need some love. Yeah. Feels like I've known you, girl, all my life. When I'm with you, nothing else matter, you know that. Nothing else matter, don't go back. I don't dare wait on you for too long, but I want you. Them go tell you you should fall back. Deep inside you know that I go make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, she turn it up like a radio. 10 out of 10, that's my baby, oh. Knows how to make me go crazy, oh. Hey, my baby is something, rolling her eyes just to let me know. Sometimes we argue like here we go. When we make up, it's a movie though. Hey, I can never get enough, babe. Feels like I known you, girl, all my life. When I'm with you, nothing else matter, you know that. Nothing else matter, don't go back. I don't they wait on you for too long, but I want you. Them go tell you you should fall back. Deep inside you know that I go make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah. Oh, my babe goes lovey-dovey. Yeah. Oh, my babe goes lovey-dovey when I'm around you. Every time yeah, when I'm around you, girl. Make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey.
Alright, y'all, so my workout is complete, and now I'm about to go for my walk around the city, so let's go.
Yeah, make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. I can never get enough, babe. Yeah. Stepping in the spot like she own it. Looking like the world is your runway. She can set it off like a gunplay. Oh my, yeah. Talk of the city with that body. Always getting praised like it's Sunday. She said, baby, what you gon' do about it? Loving your vibe, girl. That energy got me going.
Alright, y'all, so I am back from my workout and my lovely city walk. I walked about 3 miles. I went and got me an acai bowl, as y'all saw, and when I was walking back, the sun was really starting to get a little bit warmer, so I was trying to make my way back or whatnot. But anyways, I've already bathed, and now I'm going to just show you what I do with my locks after a normal day like this. When I've put in a lot of work at the gym, I was sweating a lot, I was outside, and so my locks are not as fresh as they could be, and I don't want to wash it. I just want to make sure that it's nicely moisturized and it looks good for my liking. So, oh my god, what just happened? I don't know, but here we go. So we're gonna start off with my fave. Y'all should know by now if you're a subby and you've been here for a while, but I love the Loclicious Rose Water Hydration Mist. So I like to first start to spray my roots because my scalp is what needs the hydration, and I just go around spraying it like this. Lately I've been focusing more on my edges as well because I noticed my edges have been a little dry lately, and I just want to make sure that they stay moisturized to prevent any breakage. Now, what you could do is section your hair into like 4 sections or 6 or 8, whatever works best for you, depending on how many locks you have. I just like to just part it with my fingers and spray as I go, because ain't nobody got time for that. I don't. The whole point is to make sure that my scalp is nice and hydrated. Okay, so this is how my locks are looking. And y'all probably wondering, well, are you going to spray your actual locks? Yes, but not yet. So next I'm gonna go in with the Loclicious Growth Oil. I'm running a little low, gotta re-up on that. I'll also link that in the description box below. But I just go in and I don't do like, I don't put a lot on my scalp, but I just put just enough to seal in the moisture. So I'm just running that through the parts. And make sure I really focus on this area because this is where I have a little bald spot. I've had it for years. On this side. I wish y'all could see how Vice is looking at me over here. He's looking at me like, Auntie Tay be doing the most. I know, Vice. I know. But this is what it's like when you're a creator, okay? You got to put in that work. So you don't have to give me that look. Thank you. And you can also use like just regular water as well in the mist spray bottle. I just don't happen to have that on me right now, and I don't feel like I need it today. But some days I do spray regular water first, then the rose water, then I do the oil. All right, so that's enough. Now I'm just gonna massage my scalp like so. Smooth back my edges. Just keep massaging it. This is actually my favorite part because not only does it feel so good on my scalp, woo, but it also is a great technique to use when you want to work the product in. I could do this all day. Lastly, what I like to do is go back in with my Loclicious Rose Water Hydration Mist. You can use your rose water, you can use regular water, but you just want to go in and now just spray your locks. Make sure they're nicely hydrated as well. So that's what I'm gonna do. And make sure you get the ends, okay? All right, so that's good enough for me. And then I just go through and do like this to my locks. Kind of help lock the moisture in as well. At least that's what I like to believe. All right, y'all. So yeah, that is what I usually do to keep my locks nice and fresh after working out. So at this point, you guys can do a cute little style if you want to. I am actually going to leave my hair down today. I don't want to cause any like additional tension on my scalp by putting it up in a ponytail or a bun, since I had it in that style while I was working out. So yeah, that's going to conclude the video for today. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Also, follow me on all social media platforms. You can search me by simply typing in Octavia.Darling. I'm sure I'll pop up. All right, y'all. So I hope you have an amazing week, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.